Increasing reach by cross-promoting your TikTok content on other social platforms. Hey there, friends! By this stage, you've learned the most powerful marketing tricks that you can apply on TikTok, which is the next big thing in social media. But that doesn't mean that you should limit your reach to the TikTok network. So in this video, we're going to show you how to cross-promote your TikTok content on other social platforms. Getting started. Let's start on the TikTok home screen, but know that you can do this from anywhere on the app. Tap on the Me shortcut icon to go to your profile, where you will find your videos. Make sure that your profile is set on the Video Grid tab. Sharing your videos. Alright, now it is time to select the video to promote. To do this, simply tap on any of the videos in your profile to open the video view. Now tap on the menu icon to the right. This will open a menu where you'll see all platforms where you can cross-promote your video under the Share To section. Platforms and services available to promote your TikTok videos include instant messaging, Facebook, SMS, Twitter, Facebook Messenger, email, web URL, and QR code. Let's see how to easily cross-promote this video on the social platforms available on this menu. Sharing on Facebook. Let's share it on Facebook first. Start by tapping on the Facebook icon. Next, enter your login info and tap on Login. A Share to Facebook window will appear so you can post the video without leaving TikTok. Enter a caption to describe the video into the Say Something About This field. As you can see here, there is already a link preview of your video and a link to watch it on TikTok. This is a great way to funnel your Facebook followers to your TikTok account. Next, select where you'll post the video. Set the privacy settings, and then tap on Share Now. And that's it. Sharing on Twitter. Okay, let's now share this to Twitter. Start by tapping on the menu icon, and then tap on the Twitter icon in the Share To menu. A Twitter window with your TikTok video will appear. This window has a pre-built message that includes your TikTok username, a TikTok hashtag for people looking for TikTok content on Twitter, and a link to your video on TikTok. You can personalize this message by editing the message and adding your own hashtags. Yet, we recommend that you leave the TikTok hashtag because it will help you to reach other TikTok users that can follow you from Twitter to your TikTok profile. Once you have edited your message, tap on the tweet button. And that's it. Sharing on other platforms. Although there are now other social buttons that allow you to post directly to other social platforms, there is an easy way to do it. All you have to do is to download the video that you want to share, so you can upload it from your device to other visual discovery platforms, such as Instagram. To do this, simply tap on the menu icon in the video view screen. Next, tap on the Save Video option. Your video will save, and now you can share it on your most active social media channels.